See, this is what I love about snow. When you can sit in your house and watch the birds. Especially when you have all sorts of wood for the fire, food in the house, you're all set. You don't have to go anywhere. You can stay in your pajamas all day. And it's so pretty outside. And you know it's really cold out there, but it's warm in the house, so it's all good. We're all in here by the stove. Mike is out shoveling and playing in the snow, and it's still snowing out there. So pretty. Nothing better than a nice clean snowfall. And then out this window I have more bird feeders. And I just love to sit and watch the birds. I don't know if other people have the chance or the time to do that like I do, but it is so calming and peaceful and relaxing to watch them. It's one of my favorite things to do in the morning when I'm drinking my coffee, or when you're having just a bad time and you want to really just center yourself and get back to what's real. You can watch the birds. And there's nothing happier than watching birds. It just brings you back to center and brings you back to, you know, all that stuff all those people and all that stuff in your life doesn't matter. It's just happy. I always feel like there's most of the stuff in my life that I get depressed about, or I start feeling yucky about, usually has to do with people and what they say or what they do, or you know, most of the time it's people I know, but a lot of times watching the news will do that to me too. So you know, you have to turn that stuff off. And you know, yesterday when I was walking out in the snow, which I'll do that again because this is my favorite weather to take walks in. And you know, sitting in the house is a little depressing for me sometimes because I suffer from all that, you know, stuff, seasonal affective disorder or whatever it's called. But when you go for a walk, you can't be sad, you can't be upset. You know, everything is good again. So I will just leave this on and let you watch the birds if you want to, because maybe you live in an apartment where you can't see birds, or maybe you are living in Florida where there is no snow. But if you want to watch them, you can. They're fun. I'll just leave this on for a few minutes. While I drink my coffee. Well, it looks like the activity is slowing down, so... Oh well. If I may have to go out today, but otherwise, if I don't, I will be looking at seed catalogs. Another one of my favorite things to do in the winter. And they've already started coming, all the seed catalogs from all over. A few of them are my favorites, but I like to look at all of them, even if I don't buy from them. Even if they're not organic or non-GMO, I still look at them, but I tend to buy the heirloom variety seeds and the organic at least. Baby likes to look out the window at the birds. Oh, he's gonna plop down. You always have to have a perch for your cats so they can watch. And they make those funny little noises too when they are sitting here. Another thing that's really fun to watch and very relaxing is to watch the birds, watch the cats watch the birds. It's fun. So, I will see you next time. Have a wonderful snowy day.